In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Jotform Report Builder. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace and select My Forms. Find the form you want to create a report for and select it by checking the box next to its name. At the top of the page, click Reports, then choose Add New Report. Select Visual Report as the report type. Enter a name for your report, choose blank if you want to build it from scratch, and click Create. In the Report Builder, use the left panel to add elements such as text, charts, images, or grids by dragging them onto the canvas. Click any element to open its settings, then customize its data source, appearance, size, and other options to match your reporting needs. Once you've finished designing your report, click Preview to see how it will look. If everything looks good, click Publish to save your report. You can then share the report using its link or embed it on a website if needed. That's how to use the Jotform Report Builder. Thanks for watching.